Most kitchen accessories look nice, but many of them don't really make cooking easier. So today, I found 25 modern kitchen accessories that are actually practical and surprisingly useful. Some of these can save you time, some make cooking much simpler. And one of them is such a clever idea that you'll wonder why you didn't have it before. But don't miss accessory number 7. It's one of the smartest kitchen upgrades on this list. KitchenAid Artisan Series Stand Mixer. Fabric type, zinc, stainless steel. Choose from all the color options to find the one that best matches your style and personality. The Power Hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center with more than 15 optional attachments available. 5QT. Stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle offers enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. 59-point planetary mixing action means 59 touch points per rotation around the bowl for thorough ingredient incorporation. Choose from all the color options to find the one that best matches your style and personality. The Power Hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center with more than 15 optional attachments available. 5QT. Stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle offers enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 Air Fryer. All-in-one system. Includes the Ninja Crispy Power Pod for QT and 6-cup clean crisp glass containers and 2 storage lids. Crispy Power Pod. The power of a full-sized air fryer now in the palm of your hand. Small large batch containers. 6-cup container cooks a personal-sized meal in 7 minutes while the 4QT fits a 4 lb chicken and veggies. Non-toxic containers. Clean crisp glassware is designed for non-toxic cooking and storing. 4-in-1 functionality. Max Crisp Bake Air Fry Recrisp. Fixed heat protection. Permanently fixed heat-safe feet so you can safely set it on granite, laminate, quartz, butcher block, and marble. Leak-proof lids. Snap-lock lids ensure your meal won't spill on the go. Easy storage. Ninja's Crispy Power Pod and clean crisp glassware nests together for mess-free storage in your cabinets. Crispy Container Adapter. Includes an adapter so the Crispy Power Pod can be used on the larger container. Jar Revolving Countertop Spice Rack. Set includes 1 rotating spice rack and 20 pre-filled glass spice jars with removable sifter and labeled black caps. 20 essential spices. Includes basil, bay leaves, celery salt, chives, cilantro, coriander, crushed mint, dill weed, fennel seed, herbs de Provence, Italian seasoning, marjoram, oregano, parsley, pizza seasoning, rosemary, savory seasoning, sea salt, sea salt. Stylish storage. The rotating, polished stainless steel rack keeps spices neat and easily accessible on countertops or in cabinets. Free spice refills for 5 years. Eligible for 5 years of free spice refills of your choice. KitchenAid Large Capacity Dish Rack. Spacious design for large loads. This full-size dish rack offers ample space for plates, mugs, glasses, bowls, utensils, and even larger items like pots and pans. Please refer to product dimensions to ensure an ideal fit for your countertop. Non-slip, stable base. Equipped with soft, anti-slip feet, this dish rack stays securely in place, protecting surfaces and providing stability even on smooth countertops. Rust-resistant, durable coating. Constructed with heavy-duty satin-coated steel wires, this dish rack is designed to resist rusting and stand up to daily kitchen use. To maintain optimal rust resistance, dry the rack and drain board after use. Improved angled drainage system. The angled drain board directs water straight into the sink, preventing pooling and keeping countertops dry. The board and rack are precisely aligned for smooth water flow and easy cleaning. Bring people together with the Cassini electric fondue pot set, the perfect way to turn any night into something special. This chocolate fondue kit features easy temperature control for smooth, melted chocolate every time. Detachable serving trays keep fruits, treats, and snacks organized, while 4 roasting forks make sharing simple and fun. Ideal as a gift set or date night idea, it's perfect for movie nights, game nights, or any time you want to serve smiles. Enjoy delicious homemade hot pot with the Dezen electric shabu pot. Featuring a spacious 4-liter removable nonstick pot, it makes cooking and cleaning effortless. The dual power control lets you adjust heat for perfect simmering, while the tempered glass lid helps lock in flavor. Ideal for parties, family dinners, and friendly gatherings, it brings warmth and convenience to every meal. Enjoy real espresso anywhere with this portable self-heating espresso machine. Designed for travel, it heats water automatically and brews rich espresso using ground coffee or capsules. USB-C charging makes it easy to power on the go, while the all-in-one kit includes a carrying bag and stand for convenience. Perfect for camping, office, or daily travel, fresh espresso anytime, anywhere. Grind your herbs, spices, and coffee quickly and efficiently with the Cool Night electric herb grinder. With a large 7.5 capacity chamber and fast motor, it delivers consistent, fine results every time. Built-in pollen catcher ensures no waste, while the durable design makes it easy to use and clean, perfect for kitchens, bars, and anyone who loves fresh, flavorful ingredients. Make fresh, nutritious meals for your baby with the Chef Handy Baby Food Maker. This 5-in-1 processor steams, blends, purees, reheats, and even self-cleans automatically. Featuring a stainless steel steam basket, BPA-free design, and 6 reusable pouches, it makes healthy homemade baby food quick, safe, and effortless. Perfect for busy parents. Enjoy pizzeria-quality pizza at home with the Piazzano XL 14-inch electric indoor pizza oven. Heating up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, it cooks delicious, crispy stone-baked pizzas in under 6 minutes. The dual heat control lets you customize top and bottom cooking for perfect results every time. Designed for countertops and complete with peels and a scraper, it's everything you need for fast, authentic pizza nights. Chop, grind, and prep faster with the KOIOS 500-watt food processor. Featuring 2 8-cup bowls and dual bi-level blades, it delivers powerful, even chopping every time. Perfect for meat, nuts, onions, garlic, and baby food, this compact electric chopper saves time and effort, making everyday cooking simple, quick, and efficient. Upgrade your food prep with the 4-in-1 electric vegetable chopper. Powered by a 200-watt motor, it slices, shreds, dices, and strips vegetables in seconds. Built for both home kitchens and commercial use, this food processor saves time, boosts efficiency, and delivers consistent, professional results every time. Cook eggs perfectly every time with the 6-in-1 electric egg cooker. It easily makes soft or hard-boiled eggs, onsen tamago, tea eggs, custard, and even yogurt. Designed with BPA-free stainless steel and automatic shutoff for safe cooking, this compact cooker is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or quick keto-friendly meals. Enjoy versatile cooking with Aroma Houseware's essentials. The ASP 610 dual-sided Shabu hot pot features a 5-quart stainless steel design, perfect for shared meals with 2 flavors at once. Pair it with the 3-cup uncooked, 6-cup cooked rice cooker, a compact multi-cooker and steamer ideal for everyday rice, soups, and more, all in one convenient kitchen setup. Brew with precision using this electric gooseneck kettle featuring 5 temperature control presets for perfect coffee and tea every time. The 1200W heating element quickly boils up to 0.8 liters, while the 100% stainless steel inner lid and bottom ensure pure taste and durability. Designed with a precision gooseneck spout, it delivers smooth, controlled pouring for flawless pour-over brewing. Enjoy restaurant-style barbecue at home with the Cuisinmax smokeless indoor grill. Powered by a strong 1500W heating system, it cooks fast with less smoke and less mess. The LED smart display gives you precise temperature control, while the tempered glass lid locks in flavor. With non-stick, removable grill and griddle plates, cleanup is quick and easy. Perfect for Korean barbecue, steaks, and everyday indoor grilling. Organize and serve in style with the Guidery Acacia Utensil Caddy. Crafted from natural wood, this multipurpose countertop organizer features divided compartments and a sturdy handle for easy carrying. Perfect for parties, picnics, kitchen counters, or trips, it keeps flatware, napkins, and utensils neatly stored functional, stylish, and ready for any occasion. Make fun, homemade treats with the mini donut maker machine. Designed for kid-friendly breakfasts, snacks, and desserts, it makes 7 cute donuts at once with a fun donut print. The non-stick surface ensures easy release and quick cleanup, making every sweet moment simple, safe, and delicious. Create endless frozen treats at home with the Ninja CRME Scoop Swirl Ice Cream Maker. With 13-in-1 programs, it makes soft serve, ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, frozen yogurt, and more. The Scoop Swirl handle lets you customize texture and toppings, while 2 included 16-ounce pints make sharing easy. Creamy, smooth, and made your way every time. Start your morning the smart way with the classic Retro 3-in-1 breakfast station. This versatile cooking station includes an egg and veggie steamer, a non-stick griddle for bacon or pancakes, and a wide 2-slot toaster with toasting control. Compact and stylish, it lets you prepare a complete breakfast quickly and conveniently, all in one place. Create fresh, healthy yogurt at home with the ultimate probiotic yogurt maker. Featuring adjustable time and temperature controls, it helps produce trillions of live probiotics for maximum health benefits. The 2 1-quart containers allow you to make larger batches, including thick Greek yogurt. Easy to use and built to last with an ultimate lifetime warranty. Keep food fresh longer with the Plateful Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit. This portable vacuum sealer works with both wide-mouth and regular jars, locking in freshness in seconds. The kit includes reusable lids, an opener, and a USB charger, perfect for canning, meal prep, and smart food storage anywhere. Cook fast and easy with the Dezen Hot Pot Electric with Steamer. This upgraded 1.5-liter mini pot features a non-stick sauté pan and adjustable power for perfect heat control. Ideal for ramen, steak, eggs, fried rice, oatmeal, and soup, it's compact, versatile, and perfect for quick meals anytime. Blend your favorite drinks in seconds with the NutriBullet Personal Blender. Powered by a 600-watt motor, it effortlessly creates smoothies, shakes, and frozen blends in the 24-ounce cup. Compact, powerful, and easy to use, it's perfect for quick meals and healthy prep at home. Make healthy snacks at home with this powerful food dehydrator for jerky, fruits, and more. It features precise temperature control up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, letting you dry meat, veggies, and dog treats safely and evenly. With 5 durable stainless steel trays for easy presets and a 48-hour timer, drying is simple and hands-free. Perfect for homemade snacks, this dehydrator also includes a helpful recipe book to get you started right away. Start your day effortlessly with the Green Life 3-in-1 breakfast maker station. Featuring healthy ceramic non-stick dual griddles, it cooks eggs, meat, sausage, bacon, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches all at once. The 2-slice toast drawer and easy-to-use timer make breakfast prep simple and fast, helping you enjoy a delicious, complete meal in one convenient station. Grind your spices and herbs effortlessly with the Mamba electric grinder. This USB rechargeable, portable 1G metal grinder makes seasoning quick and easy. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for fresh herbs, spices, and even small seeds in the kitchen. Quick to use, easy to clean, and built for convenience. Fresh flavors anytime, anywhere. Make fresh peanut butter at home with the 2025 Electric Nut Butter Maker. Powerful grinding turns nuts and sesame into smooth sauce in minutes. Easy to install, easy to use, with a stable non-slip base for safe, mess-free operation. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-in-1 colander with bowl set. Perfect for washing rice, pasta, fruits, and vegetables, it works as a strainer, cleaner, and serving bowl in one. Stylish, durable, and easy to use, it's an aesthetic cooking essential and a thoughtful gift for any modern kitchen.